Foshan super technology. Hello, who's Kitty? Hello, who's Kitty? Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm Helen. Hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah. Welcome to our GIE online exhibition. Yeah, you can take this mic. Yeah.
Hello. Nice to see you again in Guangzhou, August lighting fair. Yeah, because of the virus.
Yeah, delayed for 2 months.
And we are regret our old clients cannot visit this exhibition. But I think we can look around our showroom.
Yeah, of course. It's
okay.
a good way to also tell your customer what is the news your products here.
Yes.
And then tell us what's technology, new technology, something like this. Yeah.
Yes.
And tell your customer or also the new customers, because our video later will broadcast on our SNS like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn and YouTube, something like this.
Thank you for the chance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you introduce
our factory is main cost for the die casting. From the housing, die casting. Firstly, we can do the design according to customer requirement. We open the aluminum die casting molding firstly, and then we make the painting outside and do assembling. SMT and the PCB design also made by ourselves. Okay. And here is our ETL standard.
ETL
line. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because since last year we has made Amazon and we provide for USA market.
This is so you want to enter USA market and
yes.
make the ETL.
Yeah, this is very popular two size, 6 inches and 9 inches. Okay. The driver is 0 to 10 watt dimmable.
Junction box.
Dimmable driver, yes. 5 years guarantee. And this item is our DOB SMD floodlight. It's a big sales. Yeah. Guarantee 3 years.
For which market?
Mostly are for Middle East country.
Middle East.
Yeah, because this one 3 years guarantee, but cannot pass EMC. Okay. EMC for European cannot. Let's look about these items. This is our provider molding. Very heavy items. This better for some high requirement project. 5 years guarantee with Osram LED and Taiwan Mingwei driver. Very heavy duty. Also, this one is very popular items. UFO, too heavy. One night is around 10 kg for the 200 watt, 150 watt, and 100 watt. Okay, Osram LED with Taiwan Mingwei driver. And this comma, surface tuber line, surface.
It's indoor.
Yeah. From the small size and here, maximum 250 watt. And this 5 watt. Okay. Here is our popular sales COB downline. Also for Middle East country and some European countries.
Oh, very heavy.
Yeah, very heavy duty. Our factory focused on some high quality products. Okay.
Good hissing.
And this is new item, especially for project using. It can like this way. Can separately. This one install on the ceiling firstly, and here insert. New item. For the details, it's better email us to get some catalog and videos for this product. Okay.
To tell you how to use it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And look for this. Very popular items also. Aluminium base with the PC diffuser,
PC cover.
not PE. It's PC. No yellow. 5 years guarantee also.
5 years warranty. Okay.
Yeah, heavy duty
This PC
also.
is for 5 years warranty.
Yes. Okay. As we introduce our star product, okay? These are different housing design, but use same modulo. The modulo have a 7 watt and 12 watt for choice. It means different frame. We put same modulo. It's
Same
much easier
model,
for
yeah.
the spotlight. Okay, it's a good choice for the project.
So also some customer they tell you the product changeable is more
Yeah,
easy. Yeah.
The customer only buys some pieces of the modulo and he choose maybe this one 20 pieces, 30 pieces. Then they can
Okay. Yeah.
for their special requirements. Okay. And we also focused on some
It's also aluminum.
aluminum, not PC.
Not PC.
I forgot. Yeah.
Oh, maybe deep here.
Yeah, it's deep. It's for the anti-glare. Yeah, anti-glare. And this is provide molding also. LED track light. Yeah. Maximum to 40 watt.
40 watts. This is for the
Big angle.
angle.
Big angle adjustable like this. Yeah.
Different angles.
Okay.
Okay. Let's take pictures here. With different angles.
And the chuck connector adapter can be 2-phase and 4-phase for different market. Okay. And this item is mostly big sales item.
Panel lamps.
Yeah. Like this. The lighting is not so stronger, it's soft. For school and some public places, okay. The lighting is backlit. It's long life.
Long life.
Yeah, not side lighting. Side lighting maybe maximum to 2 years guarantee, and this one can minimum 3 years guarantee.
Yeah.
Okay.
This model, this panel lamps, they guaranteed about 3 years.
I can show you one separately, one sample. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
It's better.
Because we want to see the inside.
Okay. It's this model. See? It's big cells. The PCB on the back side. Yeah.
So the LED is here.
Yeah.
And then the light come out is directly block the side.
Yeah. Also, the price is very competitive.
Competitive.
So sometimes one customer can order 1 million pieces.
1 million pieces.
1 million. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Latest
Middle
and a
East.
big brand. Okay. Welcome your inquiry after fail by email. Okay.
Okay. You do you have your name card? And then we take pictures here.
Let me check.
Or maybe your website is also okay.
Website. I take one catalog. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at it. And the Global General lighting, they are special for the aluminum. Yeah, you can see many aluminums. Yeah, here is their catalog. And then if any customers need some inquiry, you can contact by
Here,
the,
sales.
yeah.
Sales and gglighting.com.
Yeah.
Okay.
Their website here. And then
It's
the
better
the
visit
email.
our website.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kitty. Good
Thank you.
business. Good business. Good business. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.